Let's see how to check website traffic from Hostinger website builder. So to check our website traffic, at first we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Now from the Hostinger H panel, click on websites from the left menu. Here you will see all the websites. Just edit the website for which you want to check the traffic. So click on edit website from here. Now from the left menu, click on this 3 dots button, and here you will see an option for the analytics. It will show you all the traffic overview. You can check the traffic overview for the last 7 days, 3 days and last 30 days. And if you scroll down, from here you can check the sessions by country and device. So this is how you can check website traffic in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.